To manage Bill4Time expense entry effectively, start by navigating to the Expenses tab within the Bill4Time platform. Here you can view all your expenses, filter them by date, client, or project, and access detailed information about each expense. First, click on the New Expense button to create a new expense entry. Fill in the required fields, including the date, expense type, description, and amount. You can also add a receipt or attachment to support the expense claim. Assign the expense to a specific client or project by selecting from the drop-down menu. This ensures that the expense is accurately tracked and billed to the correct client or project. Next, select the payment method, such as company credit card, personal funds, or other. This helps to track how the expense was paid and ensures that you are reimbursed correctly. You can also add additional details, such as mileage or hours worked, to provide a clear understanding of the expense. Once you have completed the expense entry, click Save to record the expense. To manage existing expenses, use the filters and sorting options to quickly locate specific expenses. You can also edit or delete expenses as needed. Best practices for managing Bill4Time expense entry include regularly reviewing and approving expenses, ensuring that all expenses are accurately assigned to clients or projects, and maintaining detailed records of receipts and attachments. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Bill4Time expense entry, streamline your expense tracking and reporting, and ensure that you are accurately reimbursed for all business expenses. Regularly reviewing and updating your expense entries will help you stay organized and ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date.